is it really appealing to the audience?
I'm intrigued, I'm excited, and then when I go into it, it's a little bit of a journey of discovery where I can see why each element is exactly as it is, because altogether those pieces are telling me one clear, interesting story.
The transition of graphic design into motion and into film gives it another dimension and another element. A few of those entries have been pretty amazing because it has combined the craft, but in a new platform.
Graphic design is actually an art of planning and projecting ideas, experiences, through visual and textual content. Such a way you communicate complex and complicated information.
We're all making stuff for different audiences, for different brands, for different purposes, and whatever we design, it has to be appropriate for those audiences, those brands, and those purposes. Making sure that we're really, in a tight way, marrying clear communication with design.
I think graphic design itself, probably the terminology might need to evolve itself. Today, graphic design integrates so many different skill sets, and I think graphic design now is not just simply a great looking poster. It's just a multitude of things across a number of channels.
As the industry moves, people are also figuring ways to stand out within that noise, and I think a lot of the work that we've seen here is doing exactly that.
Designers are really thinking about social issues, and I think as graphic designers we're uniquely positioned. We're sort of in this era of everybody talks about it, a human era where people are really trying to connect in a very personal and emotional way, and doing that through design seems like a pretty good way to do it.
Graphic design helps establish your visual identity, which reflects your company's mission and value. Your company's branding begins with a great logo and expand creativity in every aspect of your business communication, be it stationery, presentation template, broadcast art on your website, video production, and art on social media. To explore all areas of design, then never the dull moment as a graphic designer is a broad industry. No, students learn how to maintain website, edit, process photos and images, Adobe Reader, Webmo encoder and InDesign, craft multi-dimensional images, use popular software, develop websites and draw. They also learn about electric production, animals and color theory, video for file management and layout programming, which if you study this at SolveTech Academy today, all the skills will be yours in just 3 months and you become a 5 graphic designer from SolveTech Academy, which is the investigation ongoing.